Hello guys, welcome to my data science series using Python. Now this is the second part of my end question paper. In this part we will cover 4, 5 and 6 question. Now let's discuss the question. Here our fourth question is refer the sample complaint, describe the approach, algorithm or process you would use to identify the applicable IPC or VNS section for legal classification. In this question we have to provide an approach or algorithm to identify the applicable IPC or VNS section. Now let's see the algorithm. This is the answer of our question 4. Here we have given the complaint that is theft of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023 0220. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. So this is the approach to identify the appropriate IPC or VNS section which involve following step. Now we will see the that steps. First is text preprocessing. Here in this, first we pre-process the text by removing unnecessary words and extract relevant information like theft, mobile phone, AMC road and 2023 220. So here in this we tokenize our text, we remove unnecessary information, we extract meaningful information. In second step we do named entity recognition, means identify entities such as location, theft is a crime, mobile phone is a stolen item, dates. This is a named entity recognition. Third part is text classification. In this, we used a trained machine learning model to classify the complaint into categories such as theft. Here, the IPC section, sorry, this is 379, might be applicable. Fourth step is algorithm selection, in which we select some algorithm like such as decision tree support vector machine or naive Bayes that can be applied to predict the legal class section based on the text. Now, based on the complaint, IPC section 379 is likely applicable as it relates the unlawful taking of another person property. So this is the answer of our question number 4. Now this next question is 5, where we will discuss what step would you take to analyze the complaint and recommend the appropriate IPC or banish section related to this crime. Now let's see the answer of this question. This is the answer is the process that to show that identify the written complaint as related to IPC section 317 theft and BNS section 4.1 for property crime. So there are following phases of text mining, which is first is text preprocessing. In this following steps are include tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, lemmatization. Here tokenization we break down our phrases into words and it break down our sentence into tokens. There the question in the question there was the theft of mobile phone by a non-person at MG Road. There we are breaking into words theft, comma off, comma my, comma mobile, comma phone, comma y, comma non. Stop word removal. In this we will remove preposition and punctuation marks, for example theft, mobile phone and a non-person. And the third is stemming and lemmatization. Now, second step of text mining is name entity recognition. In this, we recognize the entities. For example, here theft is a crime, mobile phone is a stolen item, unknown person is a perpetrator, and MG route is a location to 23 to 20. It is a date. Now, the third phase of text mining, part of speech tagging. In this POS tags here, theft is a noun, mobile is adjective, phone is a noun is an adjective, person is a noun, and so on. Then fourth phase of text mining is dependency parsing. In this, we see that we know about the relationship. There, how theft is related to mobile phone. Theft of mobile phone. Mobile phone was stolen by an unknown person. So this is the relationship between two entities. Now the fifth step of text mining is IPC BNS section identification, where knowledge graph, where IPC 379 is for theft and BNS 4.1 is for property crime. Now we will match. Theft is related to IPC 379 and mobile phone, which is a property which is related to BNS 4.1, that is a property crime. Now the sixth step
of text mining is ranking and filtering. In this, we ranked IPC VNS section is high confidence, low confidence. So here, IPC 317 is high confidence, VNS 4.1 is also in high confidence. Now, the last tab is post processing. Here, we valid IPC VNS section. As we have seen, IPC 317 is for theft and VNS 4.1 is property crime. So, this is the following approach of to identify the written complaint as related to IPC 317 and PNS section 4.1. Now let's see next question, which is question number 6. Here it is asking what data structure and algorithm are retrievable for addressing the task of classifying complaints into relevant legal section as described in the previous section. Now we will see the answer of question number 6, where we have to tell about the data structure used in theft of mobile phone case and also describe how this is applied on the data. Here, for text data, we use string array or hash tables, dictionary, list. For knowledge graph, we will use graph databases, hash table or dictionaries. For name and entity recognition, where we have here we will use list or arrays, hash table or dictionary. For part of speech tagging, we will use list, array, hash table or dictionary. For dependency parsing, that is relationship to tell about relationship, we will use graph data structure, has tables or dictionaries. For IPC and Venus identification, we will use has table or dictionary, list or arrays. And for ranking and filtering, we will use priority queues or heaps, hash table or dictionary. For additional data structure, we will use prior, prefix tree, suffix tree, graph neural network for learning list. As we have seen in this video, we have covered our three questions, which is question number 4, 5, 6. Now next question we will discuss in next video. Thank you for watching my video.